Welcome back to my channel. This is Bala's channel. In this video we are going to see how to create the quiz using Google Forms. Today we are going to see online quiz using Google Forms. From creating quiz to releasing scores of the quiz. Now we want to open the Google Chrome. Now select the Apps tab and check the Forms option. If there is no option, please click the More from Google option. And you can see the Forms option and click the Forms option. Now the Google Forms is opening. Now we are going to create MCQ questions for online test. Click on the blank quiz option. Now it's opening. Now we can edit the title. I'm going to type biology. And then click the add question option on the right of the tab. Now it has been added. Now we should type the question. I'm going to type animals that eat only plants Now click the Now we should type the option. Now next click again add other option. I typed carnivores. Now I am going to type omnivores. Again click add option. Now I am going to type herbivores. Then again I am going to add option and again click the add option. I am going to type none of these. Now we have 4 options. Now we want to choose the answer key. So click the answer key option and choose the correct answer. I am going to click the herbivores as correct answer and allocate the marks in points. I am going to allocate 2 points. Now we can add answer feedback. For incorrect answers, I am going to type wrong. And for correct answers, I am going to type correct. Now we should save this setting. Now the feedbacks for correct answers and incorrect answer has been changed. Now click the done option. The question was ready. The first question was ready. Now now we can duplicate this question. The same question appeared. Now I am going to type the next question. I have typed the question, animals which eat only other plants. Now we should change the answer key. For that, you should click again the answer key. And we should choose the correct option. And for this, now we should save this setting. I have created 2 questions. And you can create few questions by clicking add question option. Now we want to go to settings. So that click the settings tab. It contains 3 tabs: general, presentation, quizzes. And click the collect email addresses, respond receipts, and click always. If you want these settings, you can click these settings, or you don't want this setting, you can leave it. I am clicking this setting. Don't select edit after submission. Instead, select the second option. See summary charts and text responses. Then click save at the top of the tab. And again go to the settings. Then again click the presentation tab. If you want to shuffle question order, select shuffle question order. If you want to give confirmation message, use this tab. Now I am typing exam completed. Then again click the save option. Then again click the settings and go to the quizzes tab. Then If you want to release the mark immediately, select the immediately after submission option. If you want to release mark, you select later after manual review. If you want to make the view of missed question, select missed question option. Finally, save these settings. If the respondent want to see the correct answer, click the correct answers. If the respondent want to see the point values, click the point values option. Then finally save these settings. Now select the send option and add the person's email. I am making use of my same mail ID for explanation how the scores are released. If you want to include form in email, click the include form in email option. And finally send the send option. Now we can check the mail. Now this email has been received. Now I am going to fill this form. Now we should type the email address. For the explanation, I am typing the same email address. Now we can fill the questions. See, we can see the points of the question. Now I am choosing the correct answer. We can change the answer before the submit option. Now I am going to select the correct answer. Then give submit option. See the confirmation message is exam completed. Now we can view the score. See, I have marked the wrong answer. So, the feedback is wrong. For the second one, I have choose the correct answer. So, the feedback is correct. Like this, Google Forms are used in online classes to evaluate the students. Similarly, you try this online quiz using Google Forms and comment me in the comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you.